ರಾಬರಿನಾ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ತಾಳಿನಾ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಯಾರ ಕದೀತಾರೆ ಬಂದಾಳು
Good morning.
Hello.
What are you saying? Shabal Badi, if you do 50 times, it is very good for your constipation.
No waste. Castor oil is any times better. Arlen, you know. Exercise.
ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದು ಈ ಸ್ಯಾನ್ ಜೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಂಗೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಪ್ಪರೋನಿ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಪೆಪ್ಪರೋನಿ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಪ್ಪರೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
They are saying if you see Shri Guruji, it's very good omen. Got you. Thought you could get away, did you? Do you know who I am? I am Constable Sidramaya, Bangalore City Police. Hey, put that bundle down or I'll stuff your face with sawdust. You swine. I will chop off your head and suspend it in midair.
Oh my God! He will chop off my head and suspend it in midair. Oh, what will you do next, sir?
I'll cut off your hands and feet and scatter them to the winds.
My God! He will cut off my limbs and scatter them all over. What will you do next, sir?
I'll grind your skin and bone into a fine paste and feed them to the dogs.
My God! I will be turned into mincemeat and fed to the dogs. Ay. When will you do all this, sir?
If I had my way, I would have done it right away. But what to do? I am on government duty. Hey! Put the bundle down. Put it down. Open the bundle. Hey, bundle open mada, Bevasi! Bega! Clothes, fathers,
They are not mine.
Of course they are not yours. Whose are they then?
My customers?
Customers, Are you a dhobi?
Yes, sir. Original Dhobi.
Why didn't you say so before?
You never gave me a chance before, sir.
Correct. Never give chance, Hey, beta, there has been a robbery in this area. A golden thali has been stolen. Have you done it? Say if you have, I won't report it. No FIR. We can share the booty.
I don't steal, sir.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆದು ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ ನೀನು ಸ್ಟೀಲಿಂಗ್ ತಪ್ಪು ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಟು ಹೌಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ ಥೀಫ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಅ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್.
A reward? But I cannot tell you here, sir.
Why not, sir?
Can't you see all the people gathered around?
ಈ ಬೆವರ್ಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಯ್ಯೋ. First tell me, sir,
First reward, sir.
First tell me, sir.
First reward, sir.
You don't even trust a high-ranking official like me, eh? ಮಗನ ಏನ್ ಗುರಾಯಿಸ್ತ್ಯಾ? 500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹೊಸ ನೋಟು ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇಂದ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಮಗಳು.
Now listen, sir. He who has done the stealing is thief.
Hey, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿನ ಬಡಿಯಾ, don't you think I know that?
Oh, you know that already?
Of course.
Then what are you doing here? Go catch him.
Who?
Thief.
Hey! Never say. Do I look like an idiot to you? Hey! Do I look like the thief to you? I want to know his name.
His name?
Ah.
Sir, listen, sir. He
Ah.
who steals
Ah.
is only called
Ah.
thief. He has no other name.
ವಾರ್ದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿ ನಿನಗೆ. Last warning. I want to know his name. Hey, put you in the pending man.
He stumbles, fumbles, and down he tumbles. The cat pounces on her bite.
And that's how I stole the golden thali. He didn't even see it. Hey, you. What's that you got there? Hand over quick or I'll gobble your crop.
Oh, gobble me up raw, will you? I'll gobble you up, you damn hijada.
Can I ask you something?
Ask away.
Tell me, how did you guess? You idiot! Do I look like a bloody hijra to you? Come on, give this to me. Get lost! Arey, this cutlet hai. Nothing under it also. Hey, cutlet ka wala. Come here. Come, don't worry. We'll share this like brothers. Come, sit. What's this you got here? Come on, give it to me. Get lost.
ಏ 320 ಕಳ್ಸೋಳ ಮಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾನ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ. 320 ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ, ಈ ಬೋಳಿ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊ.
Customer didn't pay for the cab.
Oh, this lady looks loaded, and not just with shopping bags. Madam, I've got some bad news for you, madam.
What news? Who are you? And where's my driver?
I'm your driver's friend, madam. He called me and asked me to come here and give you this news.
What is this news?
He had to rush to his home in Adugodi, madam.
Adugodi? But he told me he lives in Kadugodi.
Kadugodi? Yes, of course. I'm also from Kadugodi.
So what's wrong? Why did he rush home?
His Ajji has passed, madam.
Past what?
Passed, madam. Died.
But she died 2 years ago.
Yes, of course. This is his other Ajji, madam. His father's mother, papa.
But she died 2 months ago.
Oh, what a fool this lady's driver is.
Huh?
I mean, what a fool I am, madam. This is his other Ajji's sister, madam.
But why didn't he call me then?
He tried, madam, but there was no good signal here, no.
Oh God, how will I get home now?
I'll get an auto.
Auto?
Cab. I'll get a cab. But first, madam, let me help you with all these packages. They must be very heavy, no? Give them to me.
No, no, it's all right.
Don't worry, madam. They're safe here. They'll be right here, madam. Don't worry.
All right. I'll call for a taxi.
Where did you get all these things, madam?
Here in the mall, of course.
Which mall is this, madam? Phoenix, Mantri, Garuda, Inox, Meenakshi, Forum.
Stop! It's the PUB City Mall.
This, madam? This must be a watch, no? Must be very expensive, no? I wonder how much I'll get for all of this in Burma Bazaar.
What? What did you say? Burma Bazaar.
I meant Mumbai Bazaar. This place is...
It's not a bazaar, it's a luxury collection of top fashion boutiques.
Yes, yes, of course. That is what I meant. A Mumbai Bazaar of top-class booties. And this, madam? This must be very expensive, no? Real gold and all.
Yes, it is. Put that away. What are you doing?
I'm just checking everything is safe in here, madam. You don't worry, everything is fine here. You go that side, your phone will work.
No, no, no. Leave them alone. Let go. Let go. Let go. Help. 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 Why are you all standing here? You. There's a security. Leave. Let go.
All right, madam. I was just checking the mall security, madam. You don't worry, you are fine here. Hey, what you all are doing here? Madam is in trouble. You're taking photos, eh? Huh?
Police! Help! This man is a thief! Police! This man is a thief!
Which man, madam?
I mean, this man is a thief. Oh.
Boy, man, ninka ni majpun ke lara sikenge.
All in all, it's just another brick in the wall. All in all, it's just another brick in the wall.
Pay up.
I don't have any money left.
Honor your losses.
I'll pay the next time we get.
You have lost 100 rupees. Give it to me.
And I don't have any money left.
Don't cheat. At least be honest when you're gambling. Give it to me.
Hey, this is the last bit of money I have, please.
You can get it back next time. Police.
Hey, sorry, boy, matla. Rat kan fat the gang.
All you have to do is just give the guru his due. All you have to do is give the guru his due. That's all you have to do. Just give the guru his due. If it's salvation you want, just give the guru his due. Nothing will work for you till you give the guru his due. watch good things happen to you once you give the guru his due. So why don't you just follow the rules and give the guru his due? And in return, he'll be quick to bless you if you catch down. Give the guru his due.
Madhuri!
That cop, we should have gone home last night.
Yeah, I haven't bought his cigarettes.
Pranam Gurudev!
Bless you, beta. May you live long. Have you been drinking?
No, not at all.
I have, Guruji. What to do? Can't help it. I see a bottle and I tell it to leave me alone. Dad, it's a sin to drink from me.
Well done, beta. Well done.
Guruji, come on, let's have a round. You can deal.
You thrashing, I'll break your head. You rascal. Do you think this is a den of gamblers?
Guruji, you're everyone's guru. Show me a way of winning at cards. I've lost heavily. And the only sort of gambling I indulge in is with cards, nothing else.
Give up all kinds of gambling.
But that's the only way I can afford my bread omelette.
How dare you speak to me about omelets? If you're so worried about omelets, ask a canteen mala to be your guru. If you want me to be your guru, you have to give up gambling.
All right. Here, I give it up.
Well done, mate. Well done.
Gurudev, can I also be your disciple?
So, what is your vice?
Me, no vices, Gurudev.
We have a ready-made saint too. Why does he need me? Where is that smoke coming from?
I don't know, Gurudev.
Hey, come in here without by your leave and start smoking. This is an ashram. If you want to come in here, you must give up smoking. Like this man gave up gambling and that fellow there gave up drinking.
Okay, Gurudev, here. I give it up.
Good, good. Now, there's another little thing.
What's that?
What's that?
You must give Guru Dakshina.
Guru Dakshina.
But we don't have any cash with us.
Huh? I'll pay you back in installment.
Hey, what is this I see? Ah,
Chillam.
Chillam. God is great. He blesses me with 3 disciples, a gambler, a drunkard, and a ganja addict. God is great. Let this Chillam now be part of your Guru Dakshina. Jai Bholenath! Jai Bholenath!
All you gotta do is just give the Guru his due. Whatever you wanna do, just give the Guru his due. Make it off and quick, quick. Just give the Guru his due. He will bless you. He will bless you. He will bless you.
Gurugale, did you happen to see any thief anywhere around? Would a thief come here? Beta? And even if he does, will he be a thief for long? Just as ditch water gets purified when it mingles with the Ganga, in this ashram, liars, drunkards, thieves, rogues, ruffians, all get purified. There is no guru here, beta. Better look somewhere else.
Look at these people gambling openly. Such waste of money.
me so what? Who is that guy?
Asking me about him.
Ah,
Sir, he is our guru, sir.
Guru. When did he arrive?
He arrived a week ago. He's our Guruji.
Ah, Guruji. Looks like the king of thieves to me.
Who said that? Did you call me the king of thieves?
No, he didn't.
You bastard, did you
Bastard.
say that?
No one called you anything. Calm down. Hey, sorry.
Gurudev.
Bless you, beta. May you live long.
Gurudev, you saved my skin.
Not me, beta. Lord above saved you. Who are you, beta? Where are you from? What is your name?
I'm Charandas Maharaj.
And what do you do?
Don't ask me that, Guruji.
Well, what's the matter?
I'm ashamed to say it, Gurudev.
Ashamed to tell me what you do? Ah, I understand. Lying to your guru is like hiding your Facebook post from your manager. That policeman is after you, isn't he? And you came in here to save your skin.
What more do I say, Guruji? You know it all.
If you want to be my disciple, beta, you will have to give up stealing.
Then how will I survive? What will I eat?
Hey, what do you mean? That the whole world lives by stealing? Get a job, live honestly, earn some respect. Is stealing the only way to make a living? Ah, come on, speak up. If you want me to be your guru, you have to make a vow. Not 1,000 vows, just one. Just give up one thing.
Why just one thing, Guruji? I'll give up 4 things.
What 4 things?
My first vow, Guruji,
Go on, I'm listening.
I'll never eat off a golden thali.
Well said.
My second vow, Guruji,
Yes, go on, go on.
I'll never lead a Lal Batti procession.
Very good, very good.
My third vow, Guruji,
Yes, yes, carry on.
if a rich and powerful lady were to say, marry me, I'll refuse to oblige her. No matter how rich, how powerful, I'll say no.
Very good, very good.
My fourth vow, Guruji,
Oh, this will be a big one. I'm all ears.
if all the people of the country get together and beg, Charan Das, be our leader, lead the state, I'll say no, I cannot lead the state.
Charandas, I've heard your 4 vows. First, you will never eat off a golden plate because you're sick of it. You've been eating off a golden plate since you were a child. Great. Second, you will never lead a Lal Batti procession because you have led so many Lal Batti processions that you have grown tired of it. Pretty, beautiful, rich ladies are panting for your manly good looks. But you will refuse to marry. Even if they get down on their knees and beg, you will say no. And for your 4th vow, the whole country is clamoring for you. Charandas, be our leader. Charandas, you must lead us. But you will refuse. There is no greed in you, beta. You are content with your lot. Good for you.
Guruji,
Charandas, I have heard that when people sleep, they dream. But you are dreaming with your eyes wide open. You're nothing but a thief. None of these 4 things is ever going to happen to you.
Guruji, it's just a matter of chance. Just in case someday, one never knows.
Ah, the thief is always on the lookout for the perfect chance, isn't he? Now, listen to me. You have given up 4 things that you have vowed on your own accord. Right? Now, I am asking you to give up one thing that I ask of.
What is that, Guruji?
Give up telling lies.
Now you fixed me good and proper, Guruji. You know very well that I cannot steal without telling lies.
Hey, that's why I'm insisting better. It's the cure for all ills. Stop telling lies and the crime of theft will stop automatically.
Guruji, you cannot separate the sunshine from the sun, can you? You cannot separate the nail from the flesh, can you? Then how can you separate thieving and lying? They both go together, Guruji.
Get out of here. Find another place to hide. I have no time for you.
I fall at your feet, Guruji. All right, Guruji. I swear, from today I'll stop telling lies. But that's a vow.
Is that a firm vow or did it
firm up because you saw the policeman.
Guruji, I swear in front of everyone gathered here, from this day on, I'll never tell a lie. That's a solemn vow. I stand by it.
Good for you. Long live. Long live. Now, let's get back to reality. What were you thinking of for your guru?
I'm thinking, Guruji, to each his own. You're flourishing in your own way.
Hey, what do you mean?
Well, I steal at night, in the dark, stealthily entering homes through doors and windows. While you sit here in broad daylight, openly, with a crowd of people around you. And you make much more than I do.
Shut up.
You're the one who told me not to lie, Guruji.
Congratulations, oh truthful one. But I was thinking about something else. What have you thought of by way of Guru Dakshina?
Oh, that. Here, take it all, Guruji.
Such a big bundle. You're very generous, beta. Huh? What do we have here? A sari for Guruji. Now what is this? A skirt for Guruji. A pair of pants for Guruji. A necktie for Guruji. Arey, what do I want with all this? I am quite happy with a dhoti.
Guruji, all that you can see are the clothes. Look inside and see what you find. Here, a golden thali.
Now, this is the golden thali that you've been eating off since you were a child, and as of today, you have sworn to give up. But tell me something. Does this thali belong to you?
What more do I say, Guruji? You know it all. Just put it away before the constable catches sight of it.
I put it away so that when the constable comes, he can put me away.
No problem, Guruji. Plenty to eat and drink. Where will be going?
Hey, you're doing me a favor, are you?
Guruji, everyone who goes to jail comes out strong and healthy.
Hey, do you think I need fattening up? Ha, no, thank you.
Guruji. Guruji, the police constable is here. Please give me your blessings.
Sir, you will never eat out of a golden thali.
Never.
You will never lead a Lal Batti procession.
Never.
You will never marry a rich and powerful lady.
Never.
And you will always tell the truth.
Always.
Hey, Nikol,
Give the guru his due. All you got to do is give the guru his due. Give the guru his due. So why don't you just follow the rules and give the guru his due? And in return, he'll be quick to bless you if you catch on. Give the guru.
Ayyo Devare, what shall I do? Where can I go? How will I feed my family? How will I earn a living?
What is wrong? Why are you crying?
You! Have you come to rob me again? Go ahead. Take it all. All I have left is this lungi. Take that as well. Strangle me if you will.
What are you blubbering about? Tell me what is wrong. Tell me something.
There's not enough food to eat at home. No rice for anyone. My own children haven't eaten properly for 3 days.
Hare Ram Ram.
There's a big ration shop owner. He's a rogue. He won't share even a kilo with those of us who have nothing. And if anyone goes near his godown, his hirelings beat them off with their lathis.
What a tyrant.
He's a bloody miser.
Where is he now?
Look there. Can you see? Sitting there calculating all his profits.
So that is him. Why don't you go ahead and ask him for some rice? Let's see what happens.
I'm so scared, Anna.
Why are you scared?
His lathi. Don't you see?
Go ahead, ask him for some rice. If you're lucky, his lathi might just miss you.
You won't run off.
Look, I might be a thief, but I'm not a coward.
And I'm not a fool either. You're bound to be lying.
Call me a liar, will you? I'll give you one tight slap, you idiot. I'm not the same Charandas anymore. I have vowed to my guru never to tell a lie. Go, ask him for some rice.
Promise will not leave.
Promise? I got promise.
All right then. I'll try.
Go, go. Go.
Namaskar, sir.
Come closer. Come. Come sit on my head. Sit down, you idiot! Ruining my sofa.
Forgive me, sir. I made a mistake.
Mistake, nonsense. You just don't know your place. That's what it is.
But I came to see you, sir.
What for?
My children haven't eaten properly for 3 days. If you could give me my ration, it would save them.
Am I under an obligation to save everybody's sons and daughters?
But by the grace of God, you have so much, sir. Please, please help me.
Just because I have plenty doesn't mean I'll start giving it all.
But it's my ration, sir. Please, please save my children.
What is strutting about for? Careful, your limbs will stiffen. Is he with you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you got a strong man along.
Can't feed myself. How can I afford to keep a strong man?
Hello? Who are you?
A man.
Comedy. What do you do?
Don't ask. You will not like it.
Oh, I won't like it. Hey, Pagada Nanman.
My name is Charan Das and my profession is stealing. Taken together, that makes me Charan Das the thief.
Thief? You will steal the roof over my head, will you?
Yes, given the opportunity.
Sir, he has a reputation of being, as he says, as for never telling a lie.
No telling a lie. Ain't Satya restaurant Tundo.
Look, I'm asking you to give this poor man some rice. You have more than enough.
You'll only ask and I'll complain.
Look, I'm warning you. Listen to what I say or I'll rob you of all your rice.
Look here, don't threaten me.
Do as he says, sir, or he will turn things upside down.
Hey! You didn't do big and turn things upside down for me. Get him out of here, I said! Bloody lumber bastards! Buffoons! Gina, Maria. They just land up here and start begging. Give me, give me, give me, give me, give me. All the time. Tetko!
Yes, sir.
Those two fellows who were here, bloody loafers, bastards, buffoons, spoke a lot of rubbish. They look like real thieves to me.
Thieves? Arey sir, I am a guarantee. Why should you worry? Forget it.
One of them was very insistent that if he said something, he would keep up his word.
It is all nonsense. I'll pay no attention. I'll put someone to guard the godown right away, huh?
Give me, give me, give me. Tetko!
Yes, sir.
One more thing. Just in case they try doing something, warn the men they should come charging in with lathis.
They'll come, sir. They'll all come running as soon as they hear your voice. Huh?
Give me, give me, give me, give me, give me. Tetko!
What happened now? Sir.
Have you counted the sacks of rice?
Not yet, sir. Shall I count it now?
Count them properly.
Sir, there are 380 sacks, sir.
Did you count them properly?
Yes, sir.
Give me, give me, give me, give me.
Give me.
What?
BD, sir. Please give me one.
Have you fed my horse?
Not yet, sir.
Then go feed it. Then you can smoke and feed it.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is called popping.
Popping?
Yes, sir, popping.
Let go! Let go! That was great fun, not let go!
Great fun, sir.
But I thought you put up
They done so well, sir. It's called flash mob.
flash mob!
Flash mob.
Yeah, that's right, flash mob.
That only, sir. That only.
Let go!
Yes, sir.
What happened to the sacks of rice?
They were right here, sir.
Where are they now?
Who knows?
I told you to be careful! You got carried away in the dance as much as I did!
Sir, I joined only for a few steps, sir. Just a few steps.
Pip it, pop it, flash, pip! Let go!
Sir, I'll go beat your horse, sir.
What horse?
Sir, you said horse beating.
Hey! Look! Call out for the men! Shout out!
Come, run. Race has been stolen. Come, run. Race has been stolen. Hey, come, run. Race has been stolen. Hey, come, run. Race has been stolen.
Charandas! The thief!
You're the thief?
Hey, don't call me thief, you're thief. Thief! 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 Police! Where's the other comrade? Police!
magane got you, huh? Boy, magane thought you could get away, huh?
ಕೈ ಎತ್ತೋ ಬೇವರ್ಸಿ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತೋ Come to see who I am. I am the ration shop owner. The thief has left.
Sorry. Don't worry, sir. They will catch him. They will surely catch him. And this time when I catch him, I'm going to fix him. He keeps running away. He's so fast. I'm so slow.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೋ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಕೋತಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ
Shant.
Give me.
What is this, beta? Baapre! What a fortune! Are you giving it all?
Yes, Maharaj.
Glory be to God! What a large-hearted soul! What's your name, beta?
I'm Charandas, Maharaj.
Charandas. And what do you do?
I steal. I'm a thief.
A thief? You've just made such a generous donation. How can you be a thief? I don't believe you. How come you are here, beta?
I've come to ask for more wealth, Maharaj.
Ask for more wealth. We've already given so much. He will give you twice as much. How long do you plan to stay?
I leave once God fulfills my wish, Maharaj.
Hey, beta, God will never let down a generous soul like you. You do one thing. Stay here tonight. Take some rest. Refresh yourself.
Tomorrow morning after you had some prasad, then you can leave.
Don't hold me back, Maharaj.
Why not, beta?
It will be your loss.
This is the house of God. Think of what benefits you. Leave God's losses alone. He will take care of it. Wait. Here's a special prasad. Go to sleep peacefully.
As you say, Maharaj.
That feels good, beta. Oh, kind-hearted soul. May God bless you. May God bless.
Deva. Hurry! Hurry! Everything is gone! Everything! Oh Lord! Even you have left me and gone away. Chandas! Thief! 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 But I was right here.
Oh, what can we say, friends? He is everywhere. In nooks and in crannies. He's here and he's there.
So friends and neighbors, quick!
Look over here. Here comes a thief out of thin air.
It's fun to deceive, to cheat and to lie. The cheats and the liars are doing just fine.
Oh, friends, your belongings aren't safe. Best beware, for here comes the thief out of thin air.
The bar alone, the forest alone, the forest alone. Over the sun, a tiger
Pranam Maharaj!
Jai ho, Jai ho.
Hope you haven't forgotten me, Gurudev.
How can I forget you, Charandas? Your name echoes in people's hearts. Of all my disciples, you are the only one who has brought glory to my name.
Yes, Maharaj. I have stuck to my vow never to tell a lie.
As you have stuck to stealing. Only you can manage such a miracle.
Actually, Guruji, I don't steal that much anymore either. Thanks to you, I have gathered such a lot of wealth. There's just one bit of thievery left for me to do. Once that is done, I'll give up stealing altogether.
What is this one bit of thievery that you have to do?
Look over here, Guruji.
You plan to rob this lady? And you will never get away with it. She will not rest till she has you caught and punished. You just said you've collected a lot of wealth. Why don't you just devote your days to looking after my welfare? It's much safer.
Guruji, from now on you can relax. Now that we have found each other again, you have nothing to worry about. I'll never leave you. You stay with me and I'll take care of you day and night. I'll just quickly break into her vault and be right back.
You will never be back. Don't do it, beta. There is a new chief secretary.
Let him come, Maharaj. I have just one desire left, to rob the chief minister. If I cannot do that much, I'm not Charandas the thief. I'll change my name. What did you say, Maharaj? There's a new chief secretary expected.
Yes, there's strict security all over the town.
And what is the purpose of this visit?
He's coming to do an audit of the state treasury. The whole town knows about it.
Aha! I've had an idea.
What?
I'll be back in a moment, Guruji.
Hey, just wait a minute, Charandas. Come on.
Guruji, you don't worry. Go to my house. Ask anyone. Everyone knows where I stay. They'll direct you.
Hey, Charandas, listen.
Guruji, you just stay at my house. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Just see who's coming.
Guruji, is that the new chief secretary?
It looks like it, Charandas.
Guruji, you stop the chief secretary and then keep him chatting.
How?
Guruji, this is my very last robbery. Please help me out this once. Fall at your feet.
Hey, Charandas, you put me behind bars along with yourself.
If that happens, Guruji, I'll get you out.
Yeah, but you'll put me in first.
Guruji, the chief secretary is almost here. It's all in your hands now.
Charandas, you'll ruin me. Why did I ever meet you, you rascal? Charandas, listen. Do one thing before you go. Bring me a heap of garlands.
Oh, Guruji, I've got things to do. Why can't you go get the garlands yourself? Hang on. I'll send the garlands to the police constable.
Hey, why do you want to call the police constable?
Why so scared, Guruji?
Hey, he's a government servant, isn't he? Shouldn't I be scared of him?
But he's a pal.
A pal?
Yes, a real good friend. I'll send the garlands to him.
Ah, Mr. Chief Secretary. May God bless you. May you have a long life.
This is no place to beg for alms, Maharaj. Come home, you might get something.
Beg me not at all. I've been waiting for you
Waiting for me.
to ask you to an inauguration.
Inauguration? What inauguration?
Hey, there are many concerns and enterprises all waiting for you. They've been asking, when will the Chief Secretary come? When will he inaugurate our venture? They've also sent garlands.
Garlands? Where are the garlands?
You arrived earlier than expected. They'll be here any minute. One moment. Here they are. Here they are. Come, Constable, come here. This is from Chhattisgarh.
Ah, yes.
This is from Delhi.
Oh, very nice.
This is from India.
Oh.
This is from Madison Square Garden. New York. May the force be with you.
Okay, but my eyes, I can't see anything.
No, that's all right. I will be your eyes. Come, inaugurate. Come. A ladies' salon.
Oh, yes.
Cafe Coffee Day. high store,
Of course.
cafe, coffee day, Bata shoe shop, cafe, coffee day, Harley Davidson showroom,
Oh, yes.
cafe, coffee day, e-toilet, e-toilet, innovation,
Susu! Smartphone Susu! Susu!
cafe, coffee day.
Yeah. A lot can happen after coffee.
Is it over?
No, there are many more.
Chief Secretary, sir. Chief Secretary, sir. Hello.
What's the password?
I'll open it, sir.
Go to your job.
Yes, sir.
Diamonds, precious stones, silver, gold bricks. I have no use for all of this. Gold coins. Four? What's the point of more? 5 gold coins are more than enough for her to know that she was robbed.
Yes, sir.
Go to your job.
Yes, sir. Hey, where do you think you're going?
What impudence? How dare you? Do you know who I am?
Who are you?
I am the new chief secretary and I'm here to check the vault.
Like hell, you're the new chief secretary. Scoundrel, loafer, con man. Keep turning up in new disguises. The chief secretary has come, checked everything and gone. Get lost. Try making a fool of someone else.
The chief secretary has come and gone. You idiot! That must have been some thief! I am the new chief secretary.
That must have been some thief. You're the real chief secretary. You're the real chief secretary. You're the real chief secretary. So please forgive me, sir. I made a grave mistake. Now that I think of it, he was wearing chappals. So please forgive me, sir.
You fool! There's bound to happen a robbery. Go check the vault.
Yes, sir.
Go!
Yes. This is intact. This is fine. This is fine. It's fine. And these gold bricks, are they genuine or they changed them? But they're okay. They're okay. 1, 2, 5 gold coins are missing? Only 5 gold coins are missing. Now who's going to believe someone stole only 5 gold coins? I think I'll keep 5 myself and claim that 10 were stolen. Chief Secretary, sir! Secretary, sir, 10 gold coins have been stolen!
10 gold coins stolen. In your presence. How will I explain this to the madam? It's all your fault.
I didn't know, Secretary, sir.
Can't you tell the difference between a thief and a chief secretary?
He was dressed just like you. Safari suit, boot and all.
Does anyone who dressed like a chief secretary become a chief secretary?
He was wearing chappals though.
Well, madam will give us hell.
No.
And you coming to get your share.
No.
No.
What? A theft from my vault?
Yes, madam.
When?
Just now.
In broad daylight?
Yes, madam.
Or robbery?
Oh, you can't call it that.
It's not my fault, madam. I thought he was the new chief secretary.
How much was stolen?
10 gold coins.
That's it?
The thief is called Charan Das, madam.
If you know who the thief is, why don't you catch him?
He's run off, madam.
Oh, so what do you expect? That he's going to hang around waiting for you to catch him? Or perhaps he's inside here, hiding in a cupboard.
Madam, Charan Das is a renowned thief. It's not so easy to catch him.
Easy or not, Purohitji, catch him we must. How can we let him go scot-free?
Well, there's one way of getting him to give himself up.
What's that?
Charandas has sworn to his guru to never tell a lie, and he takes great pride in keeping his word. My suggestion is that we make a public proclamation announcing that if Charandas is truly as truthful as he claims, then he should come to our office and confess his crime. I'm sure he'll respond.
That's a good idea. Purohitji is right. Send out the messengers and tell them to spread the word that I have summoned Charandas.
As you command, madam.
The Chief Minister wants it known both far and wide. A thief broke into a vault and stole 10 gold coins from inside.
Charandas, you truthful thief! Don't you try and hide!
Since you are a truthful man, remember your vow and pride.
Confess your crime in the office, at the madam's side.
There's nothing greater than the truth tested and tried.
An honest man, though he fails,
Can never be decried.
The Chief Minister wants this known both far and wide.
Bhagalakshmi, bring arms for Guruji. Yes, ma'am.
Pay your respects. What are you gaping at?
Madam.
So your name's Charandas.
Charandas the thief, right?
Right, Maharaj. Charandas the thief.
A thief. I'm so proud.
I do a good job, madam. Why shouldn't I be proud?
So stealing is a good job, is it?
Good or bad, everyone steals, madam.
What do you mean?
Others steal on the sly, while I do it in broad daylight with great fanfare. That's the only difference.
And you never tell a lie.
If I manage to do my job without lying, then why should I lie, madam?
Thieving and truthfulness. What an unheard of combination. But tell me this, Charandas. You broke into my vault, which was brimming over with riches. And you stole only 10 gold coins. What made you stop at that?
Not 10 gold coins, madam. I took only 5 gold coins.
Arre ba!
I did this so that I could bring myself to your notice. Everyone knows of me. I wanted you to know of me too. So I took only 5 gold coins. Just enough to get noticed.
Chief Secretary, how many gold coins are stolen?
10 gold coins, madam. How can a thief ever be trusted to tell the truth?
Well, Chief Secretary.
Madam, the accountant counted them, madam.
Madam, Charandas is my disciple.
He has taken a vow never to tell a lie. He is a thief to be sure, but he is not a liar.
Chief Secretary, I demand to know who the liar is. Charandas or the accountant?
I am telling you, madam, 10 gold coins are missing from the vault.
He's probably telling the truth as well, madam.
Meaning?
That 10 gold coins might be missing from the vault. I took only 5. That's all I know. The accountant must know about the remaining gold coins.
Chief Secretary!
Madam?
Where are those 5 gold coins?
I just told you, madam.
Chief Secretary, search this accountant.
Madam!
Well,
Please forgive me, madam. Please have mercy on me.
where are those 5 gold coins?
They're here, madam.
Get out of my sight. Don't let me set eyes on you again, you liar!
Thief!
So tell me this, Charandas. You vow to give up lying but not stealing. Why not?
But that is my dharma, madam. How can I give up my dharma?
And it must be great fun too.
Great fun.
All right, go. I pardon you. And you can keep these 5 gold coins as well as a reward.
But I didn't earn them. The coins that I have earned are in my pocket. I live off my own hard-won wealth. I have no use for these extra gold coins. By the grace of God, I've got more than enough.
Charandas, you may be honest, but you're far too rude.
I can't tell the difference between being honest and rude, madam.
Yes, yes. There's a lot you don't know the difference between.
That's right.
All right. I give the 5 gold coins instead to the Guru for teaching Charandas never to lie.
God bless you.
And I bequeath the 5 gold coins stolen by Charan Das as a gift.
But that is my hard-earned money. You can't give them to me. I've already taken them. They're mine. Simple. Jai Siya Ram.
God bless you, man. God bless you.
Just give the order, madam, and have them arrested.
No. Let him go. We should honor an honest man like him. Send a procession to honor him. Carry him in state through town.
Quite right. Purohitji is right. Take a procession and request Charan Das to lead it. Take him through the city and bring him back to my office. I wish to honor him state awards for his honesty. What are you standing there for? Get moving!
As you command, madam.
Wow! What a grand lineup of cars! So many people! So many Lal Batti gadis! Even a Mercedes!
Yes, Charan Das. And all this is just for you. The madam has ordered it.
You mean to say the chief minister has sent a Mercedes especially for me?
Yes. The chief minister has ordered that we invite you to lead this convoy all the way to her office, where she will award you state honors.
Great! Me and my guru will ride in state!
Charan Das.
Oh no! Chief Secretary Ji, I cannot lead this procession.
Why? What's the problem?
I just remembered something.
What?
I vowed to my guru never to lead a Lal Batti procession.
A moment ago you were so willing. What is this nonsensical vow now? Think how upset the madam will be. Arey, how will I explain this to the madam?
That is up to you, Chief Secretary Ji. I can't come.
The madam is not like this one bit, Charan Das. You must come.
I can't.
You will.
I won't.
You will!
I won't!
Arey! Hey, all you people can go home. Security!
Let's take ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಭವನ ಬಂದ ತಾಳು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್
Madam, the Chief Secretary is here. Madam. Madam. Is the food ready? Yes, madam. Is Charan Das with him? I don't know, madam. Bring him in. Here. That's what I said. Yes, madam.
Madam.
Well,
Charan Das refuses to come, madam. He says he cannot lead a convoy.
refuse, but why?
He says he's taken a vow with his guru never to lead a convoy.
The audacity to spurn my command.
So I brought him here by force.
You brought him? Where is he?
Bring him in! Come on!
What have you done, Chief Secretary? By whose orders have you done this? I said I wish to honor him state awards and you drag him here like an animal?
Madam, a common thief flouts the chief minister's order. If I don't take any action against him, how will I explain this to the madam? So I brought him here by force.
Whose orders prevail here? Mine or yours?
Forgive me, madam, I did not know. I'm new here.
Listen carefully then, and don't you ever forget it. Not a leaf stirs in the state without my orders. Uncuff him at once.
Uncuff him.
Bhagyalakshmi, get the food served. Yes, ma'am. Charan Das, I beg your pardon. Please come sit. The feast is in your honor, Charandas. You must eat. Help yourself. What's the matter, Charandas? Why have you stopped? Help yourself.
It's nothing, madam.
Do you suspect something? Should I eat first to reassure you?
No.
Then what is it?
I can't eat this, madam.
Don't you like the food?
It's not that.
Is it against your principles to dine at my table? Answer me!
Charandas has taken a vow not to eat off the golden plate.
What? Yet another vow. Look, forget your vow and obey my command instead. Eat something. Charandas, I order you to eat. What? You won't? Tell me straight. Will you eat or not? Chief Secretary, Charandas has insulted the state. Put him behind bars.
Arrest him.
Guruji!
God bless you, Charandas.
Guruji!
God bless you, Charandas.
How could I? What have I done? Bhagyalakshmi,
Yes, madam.
go get him back.
Whom, madam?
Charandas, go take the keys. Don't let anyone see you. Close the back door.
Yes, madam.
Well,
He's here, madam, in the outside room.
did anyone see you?
Not a soul. We came through the back door.
Good. Listen,
Yes, madam.
will he agree?
What a thing to say, madam. Of course he'll agree. Why shouldn't he? All you have to do is ask. He's sure to agree.
He hasn't agreed to a single thing I've asked of him so far.
Madam, he's only refused you because you asked in front of other people. Alone, he would have agreed to anything you asked him. Is there a man alive who can refuse such a request? If you ask him in private, he'll never say no. I'm sure of it.
My heart is pounding.
Go on, call him. Or shall I go?
What will you say?
I'll say, Madam has called you.
When you brought him out of jail, what did you say?
I said, Madam has summoned you.
And what did he say?
The poor chap, he said nothing.
Nothing?
He kept asking, is the madam going to kill me?
And then what did you say?
I said, kill you. On the contrary, it's you who have killed her. She's dying for you. You stole it.
And what did he say?
Nothing.
Nothing?
He said, I'm a thief after all. It's my job to steal things. But the one thing I've not stolen before is a heart. And it looks like I've done that too. And he began to laugh.
So what, you've been making merry with him, have you?
No, madam. You asked, so I told you. But the poor fellow didn't say much.
Poor fellow indeed. And why do you exaggerate?
I was just repeating what happened, madam.
Okay, go bring him in. Be nice and don't scare him.
Yes, madam.
And listen, you wait outside.
Yes, madam.
Come in, Charandas. Charandas, please forgive me.
Don't say such a thing, madam.
Don't call me madam. My name is Kalavati.
I fall at your feet,
Don't touch
madam.
my feet.
Please forgive me, madam. What do? I am nothing but a common thief. Used to rough and abusive talk all my life. I don't even know how to speak to a rich and powerful lady like you. Please excuse my poor manners.
Charandas, there isn't another man like you in the entire state. I have great respect for you, but it's hard for me to talk of it openly. Now you tell me, if Adam had you locked up, how would I manage a moment alone with you? You would have gone away, and it was the only way I could think of to stop you from leaving.
Madam,
Please don't call me that.
something is not quite right, madam.
What's the matter? What happened? Is everything all right?
I feel you're about to test me.
Das. I lead such a lonely life. My life is empty without you. Will you marry me? Look, don't say no. You've refused me everything we've asked of you so far. Please agree to this one request. The state needs a leader like you. What do you say? Think it over carefully, Charan Das. Don't refuse me.
Madam,
Haven't I already told you not to call me that?
I'm sorry, madam. I can't agree to this. Please excuse me.
But why? Don't you like me?
Don't say such a thing, madam. You're so beautiful, and after all, I'm a man, not a saint.
To me, you're a god. I worship you, adore you, serve you. No other man has ever touched my heart and soul the way you have. Ever since I set my eyes on you, I can't sleep, eat, or drink a thing. Charan Das, take pity on me. Don't refuse me.
I'm sorry, madam. I can't agree to this. I can't go back on my word to my guru. I can't break my vow.
What? Vow? Don't tell me you took a vow never to marry a person like me or lead a state.
Yes. What more do I say? It was all a joke. I was playing the fool. I vowed never to do 4 things in life. And such is fate that I've been offered each one of them, one after the other. How was I supposed to know that someone as rich and powerful like you would want to marry someone like me? Now you tell me, what do I do?
Since you took these vows as a joke, forget about them. Do penance if necessary. We'll hold an atonement ceremony, gather all ascetics and holy men and fulfill all rituals necessary to absolve you. We'll shower your guru with alms if necessary. Then we'll get married. All right?
I'm sorry, madam. I cannot go back on my word to my guru. I can't break my vow.
Wow, wow, wow! Damn your vows! Charan Das, I'm warning you for the last time. Will you change your mind? All right, Charan Das. I accept your 4 vows. But you must agree to one request. Will you say yes?
What is that, madam?
Never reveal what has passed between us to anyone, or I'll be ruined.
Madam,
What?
you're forgetting something.
What is it?
I have vowed to always tell the truth.
Vow to tell the truth. Vow to tell the truth. You can do that only if you live to tell the truth. Dead men tell no tales. Have you lost your desire to live, Charan Das?
Whether I live or die, I cannot go back on my word to my guru. I cannot break my vow. Please, madam. Please, madam, forgive me. Please do not get me killed. Please do not commit the sin of murder.
Thief! Chandal! Impertinent rogue! Security! Security! Who allowed this thief to escape? Who set him free? And how did he get into my room?
Madam?
Where were all of you? The cheek of this lout, Charan Das is actually suggesting that I marry him.
Madam?
The gall of the man and a common thief at that. What are y'all gaping at? Such a man should be slaughtered, sliced into pieces, hung, drawn, and quartered.
Guruji! 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 Guruji!
An ordinary man is now a famous man.
And how did he do it?
By telling the truth.
His heroic exploits, dear friends, are now immortalized.
And how did he achieve this?
By telling the truth.
Thieving was his destiny. He was both rich and poor.
He led a strange, unusual life.
By telling the truth.
Jokingly, he made a vow never to tell a lie.
Even though he had to die.
For telling the truth.
Charandas the thief he was. He was an honest thief.
Charandas, the honest thief.
Who always told the truth.
An ordinary thief, dear friends, who's now a famous man.
And how did he achieve this?
By telling the truth.
On stage our director, Mrs. Arundhati Raja.
Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the show. We have three more. One tomorrow and two on Sunday at 3 o'clock and at 6:30. Please tell friends. And I'm happy to see our happy crowd here. Thank you.
Praise the Guru, no one greater, who alone brings down to us the divine nectar of truth. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. This nectar will redeem us, brought down from on high, where pure truth resides by our holy Guru. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. Our Guru does teach us that truth is so precious, only a handful can uphold the truth. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. And those few are gurus who lead by example. They raise the world high on the scales of truth. Satyanam, 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 Satyanam. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. Praise the truth, nothing better. Praise the Guru, no one greater, who alone brings down to us the divine nectar of truth. Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyanam. Satyanam.
Satyanam, Satyanam, Satyam. Satyanam, Satyanam,